Brazilian waxing for men. Brazilian waxing for men involves the removal of all or most of the hair around the pubic region, including the sensitive area under the belt. It offers a clean, smooth appearance and long-lasting results. The popularity among men. More men are embracing waxing for smoother, cleaner skin. As body grooming trends shift, Brazilian waxing is becoming a popular choice for men of all ages. The benefits: waxing leaves the skin smoother than shaving and reduces the risk of ingrown hairs. The results last longer than shaving, typically 3 to 4 weeks. Is it more painful? Brazilian waxing can be uncomfortable, especially in sensitive areas. However, the pain is temporary and tolerable with proper preparation and aftercare. Compared to shaving, shaving often leads to stubble, irritation, and ingrown hairs. Waxing eliminates these issues, providing smoother, longer-lasting results. Brazilian waxing. Ensure hair is at least 1/4 inch long for effective waxing. Exfoliate beforehand to remove dead skin cells and reduce the risk of ingrown hairs. During the procedure, the process takes about 15 to 30 minutes. The esthetician applies hot wax to the skin and quickly removes it with a strip, pulling hair from the root. Pain management. To minimize discomfort, consider taking a pain reliever 30 minutes before the appointment. Breathing deeply and staying relaxed also helps. Post-wax care. Moisturizing and avoiding tight clothing can help prevent irritation. Applying aloe vera or a soothing gel helps calm the skin after waxing. How often to wax? For optimal results, get a Brazilian wax every 3 to 4 weeks. Regular waxing can also make the process less painful over time. Risks of Brazilian waxing for men. Potential risks include irritation, ingrown hairs, and allergic reactions. Always perform a patch test before getting the wax before a large area. Cost of Brazilian for men. The price of Brazilian waxing varies depending on location and salon, but generally, it ranges from $50 to $100 per session. Safe for all skin types. Brazilian waxing is safe for most skin types, but if you have sensitive skin, it's important to choose a salon that uses hypoallergenic wax. Do it at home or in a salon. While home waxing kits are available, visiting a professional ensures a smoother, safer, and more efficient experience. What type of wax is used? Hard wax is generally recommended for sensitive areas, as it adheres to the hair rather than the skin, reducing pain during removal. Can men get ingrown hairs? Yes, men can develop ingrown hairs after waxing. Preventing this involves exfoliating regularly and moisturizing the skin. Brazilian waxing and sexual health. Waxing can improve hygiene and comfort by keeping the area clean. However, avoid waxing before or during menstruation to avoid skin irritation. Brazilian waxing impact on hair growth. Waxing weakens hair follicles over time, which can lead to slower hair growth and finer regrowth. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.